Hi, good evening everyone. I am Labhyans. I'm going to talk about how to become confident in English language. Even I'm also not very confident on English language. That's why I am with you. Uh, yeah, in Bangalore, little bit like feeling cold. That's why I am wearing my hoodies. If you know about what is different between weather and climate, then tell me in my comment box. So let's come on topic. So how to become confident on English language? First of all, what you can do for become confident. First you can do is stop to become perfect in English language. Keep in your mind you can't become perfect. So whatever knowledge you have, whatever you have learned so far, start from there only. Do not try to become very perfect. Second thing, practice English even alone. Practice yourself. Do not beat that somebody come, then I will talk to them. Third, accept mistake. Mistake is learning of part, so do not fear from the mistake. Mistake does happen with everyone, so what do you fear of mistake? Accept mistake, it is part of your learning English. Do not translate into Hindi to English language. Are you getting it? What I am trying to tell you? Do not do like that. And fourth thing that you can do, like do practice with real time. If you are playing cricket, then whatever looking surrounding, do practice with that. If you saw anything new, you know in Hindi but you don't know in English, then you can try to know about that. What is that? What to call in Hindi? And how can we make a sentence? If you follow these things, then make sure that you can become very confident in English within some days, within one day, within no, it is not one day, but sorry for that, but you can become, I can say that in 1 month if you follow these type thing and start blogging like as I doing. If you really like my video, then please subscribe and support me. Yaar, why do you not subscribe my channel? I don't know. I'm making videos since 3 months, but my subscriber is not up to that, so I'm looking that, and support me. Thank you so much watching my videos so far. See you in next vlog. Good night. Bye.